I'm Emily Schütze. I'm a senior supply chain consultant for AIMS, and what that means is three things. I work with prospective customers who are thinking of buying Supply Chain Navigator and help them understand what the software can do for them. Then, once they've bought the software, I work with new customers and train them in how to use the software and how to get the best out of the tool. And I also work with long-term customers and help them brainstorm how they can get even more value out of the tool. And I act as their voice within AIMS if there are improvements that they need me to push for. So all companies should be doing network design because network design is a real competitive advantage when you take a step back, look at your network and say, is there something we can improve, rather than just chasing the same old process. And companies should be doing network design with SC Navigator because it's one of the easiest tools to use on the market. Some of the things that make it easy to use are the intuitive data model we've created, which is very, very easy to understand and start using for supply chain professionals. The friendly and helpful error checking to help new users learn quickly, and the pre-configured dashboards that give you a very visual understanding of what the tool is telling you. AIMS also offers a very personal support to help you get started and help you continue using the tool. Our customers rave about our support quality, and they're very loyal because of it. And those two things, the ease of use and the personal support you can get from AIMS, means you can get started very quickly and get value for your company very, very quickly. So the biggest and best known sort of question that is answered by SC Navigator is the big structural changes to your network. Where should we be building warehouses or production facilities? What's the optimal structure for our network going forwards? But you can also use it to optimize your existing network and say, without making those big changes, can I get cost savings out of my network? Can I use my network better? How should I allocate customers to warehouses? How should I use my existing production capacity? How should I flow products through my network to meet customer demand? And then the other type of question you can do is preparing for risk. We all know the world is very uncertain, very risky. With SC Navigator, you can look at potential risks, understand their impact on your network, and look at the effectiveness of different mitigation actions, such as dual sourcing or investing in additional inventory. So we have a lot of customers in the retail space that are using it to look at new challenges in retail and how to deal with the massive growth in e-commerce. And heavy manufacturing also gets a lot of benefits from understanding how to use their production facilities to the maximum. What excites me about the product is how agile our development team are, how quickly they can respond to requests, how quickly they can improve the product, and how much we listen to customers and respond to their needs in how we develop the product.